Unlike traditional PLM systems, Upchain administration is simple and intuitive. In fact, all administrative functions can be performed efficiently from the page shown here. Virtually any item numbering schema can be represented, including fixed text, delimiter, sequence, and free text. Adding new item numbering rules is a simple matter of selecting the item type, specifying the major and/or minor revision schema, exclusion characters, and rule attributes. Document numbering is similar. To add a new rule, we select the document type, revision schema, and rule attributes. Attributes are easily created and managed from the screen shown here. A multitude of data types is supported. Note that attributes may be searchable and/or included in workflow, and may have a CAD mapping which allows integration with various CAD systems. Managing document attributes is similar. Upchain provides out-of-the-box system workflows, but clients may also create their own tenant workflows to map to their own business processes. Creating new business process types is a very simple matter. We simply enter in a name, base type, requirements management or QA, and a key. This business process entity can now be used to manage workflow. Creating a new document type is a simple matter of entering in the name. Adding new users to Upchain is very simple. We simply enter in their email address, default role, and Upchain division. Again, all Upchain administrative functions can be performed efficiently from the page shown here. This allows you to configure Upchain to better fit your organization and its processes.